So I am a little late on getting this video out, but I have been moving house. I had the biggest interview of my life for a new job at work. I got the promotion, thanks for asking. And wedding season's kicked back off with things getting back to normal again. So in my spare time, I've been shooting and editing those. However, this is a video on the new Shimoda Explore V2, my thoughts on its capabilities, where it excels, where I think it sits in the lineup, and where I think you might be better off suited buying another bag in their very impressive lineup. So full disclosure, I was sent this bag for free and it's my fourth Shimoda bag in total now. However, these are my absolute honest opinions and are not being prompted by Shimoda to say anything in this video. It may sound biased because of how positive I am about its construction and style, but that's simply because Shimoda have leveraged their passion, experience and expertise with absolute precision when designing this bag. So I've had the bag for maybe 4 months now and it's almost instantly took top spot as my most used camera bag and bag in general actually, since not only has it been hiking with me, it's come to the office when I've had to go in, holding my laptop, lunch, jacket. I work in IT and although I've been working remotely for over a year now, the V2 in black looks great as a laptop bag, even with a smart shirt and trousers. At first, when the Action X came out, I was upset to see that the original Explore colours weren't taken on in the new range. I really loved that sea pine that I've got in my Explore 60, but I must say the colours have really grown on me. And I love the army green of my X70 and the stealthy black roller, and now this black Explore V2 to complement it. Out of the three 25, 30 and 35 litre bags in the new lineup, I chose the 30 litre and it's the perfect crossover for me between the high octane, high capacity Action X series with its roll top, accessory straps everywhere, super chunky shoulder straps, and the original Explore V1. Now you're going to have to excuse the audio because frankly I wasn't planning on doing this bit in the middle of a forest, so I didn't bring a mic with me. However, I just had to say this right here, I'm just blown away by this bag. The fact that I've just brought all this kit in such a small pack, I was able to just do motorised slider moves. I could have done a motorised time lapse. I've got the Rhino Arc 2 in there and that's quite a chunky unit. I fit in my camera body, multiple lenses, filters, cables, what else? A bunch of other stuff. I've got 3 tripods with me and yes, okay, I had to carry the rails, but I mean they're 4 foot so they're not going to go on a bag anyway. But I've got everything else I needed in that small pack, and whilst it weighed an absolute ton, it was still incredibly comfortable. So I think this, hands down, I know I'm a Shimoda fan anyway, but they've just knocked it out of the park right here. Not many people, or not as many people, need a full adventure pack, which is going to take them camping for an entire weekend and shoot quality video or photos. But a lot of people want a pack which you can get a capable amount of kit in and still be comfortable and carry it and it be functional. I mean, it's just excellent. The waterproofing is really damp on the ground here. I was able to throw it down no problem. Didn't have to worry about it one bit. It's incredibly rugged, comfortable. I mean, come on guys. What more can you ask for in a bag? So excuse the audio, but you know, I just had to get that out, get that off my chest. Now I'd always select the X70 for multi-day hikes and wild camps, but this Explore V2 is the perfect crossover bag for the travelling photographer that needs a good looking but inconspicuous pack for planes and trains, with protection for your expensive gear and a sleek silhouette that goes unnoticed on busy streets and public areas, yet performs impeccably on rugged trails and harsh environments. To say this is a city-only pack would do a huge disservice to its build quality. Now this thing is still super rugged with ripstop everything, weatherproof zips and leather zip pulls. It could really handle everything you want to throw at it. So there's an affiliate link to the Kickstarter in the description of this video, so please do check that out for size specific combos on offer and many more features that I've not touched on in this video. As an additional bonus, from what I can gather, the launch was delayed a month to ensure that everything was ready to be shipped as soon as the campaign finishes. So there's no year or more wait for R&D, material selection or assembly once the crowdfunding is done. You're essentially getting an amazing bag at a pre-order price with little to no delay. So honestly, this isn't one of those fly-by-night companies which may or may not fail after you've paid them the money. You're going to get your bag, and you're going to get an incredible bag at that. Now for me, the standout features are the grab loop on the side for securely hanging and transporting on the roller, and the top and bottom handles for moving the bag from place to place when it's open and on the floor. Removable waist straps and a range of female specific shoulder straps, since from what I can see, Shimoda is the only manufacturer out there actually catering for women, and the side access door. I used to use the Peak Designs everyday rucksack, and I really enjoyed being able to sling it around on one shoulder and grab lenses, etc. without setting it on the floor, but the Explore V2 manages that, as well as having a far superior and much more versatile camera cube with full rear access when needed. I'm not sure if the filter and card cases are included in all Kickstarter pledges, you'll have to check that out, but I was sent a selection of pouches and they're great, so I highly recommend adding them in. I still use the original Shimoda accessory pouch which came with my Explore 60, and I just use it for all my audio equipment, so I highly recommend looking up the accessories. Now overall, I absolutely love this bag. It ticks so many boxes for me, and although the Action X is still the does everything, goes everywhere action pack, to say that this bag is less capable would be doing it a huge disservice. I think there'll be a great many photographers out there that are extremely happy with this, and I honestly cannot see any reason that you would dislike this bag. So there's an affiliate link in the description below for the Kickstarter, so go and check that out. Make sure you read through, select all the different options that you might want. There's loads on there. I'm sure there's something for everybody. If you did enjoy this little video, give it a like and maybe subscribe to the channel as well. I'd really appreciate that. But until next time, see ya.